All right, so now you guys are going to complete some on your own. We did a bunch of practice problems together, and I have confidence in you that you'll be able to do these 3 questions on your own. So you're going to try to do these yourself. Now, if you come across a problem where you don't know something or you forgot, if you click on your math notebook and then you click the link that is listed below, that's going to take you to your math notebook where you have your charts and information on how to solve for exponents. If you click on my little SOS Bitmoji and you click on slide 5, that is going to take you to the slide where I talked about what expanded form is, what exponential form is, what an exponent is, so you can go there for assistance of yourself. Okay, so for the first question, it says determine what the exponential form of 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 is. And remember, your exponent, let me highlight, exponent means that you're going to have an exponent in the answer. Exponential form means exponent. So what you're going to do is you are going to drag this circle over which answer you think it is. So if I think it's D, I'm going to slide my answer over D and circle it. Now, just to give you a hint, it is not D. Okay, so don't take that as the answer. Okay. The second one says, write the expanded form of 9 to the 4th power. So there should have been a text box here, but I'm going to put it there now. It's going to be a text box, and in that text box, you are going to type the expanded form out. Remember, expanded, you're making it long. So you're going to take your base and then multiply it by itself for your exponent, how many times your exponent tells you to, and put your answer in that box. The last question, it says Jennifer was given 3 to the 4th power in her math class. She was asked to select the correct expanded form. So remember, expanded, it's being stretched out. So again, you're going to draw this circle and put it over which letter you think or which answer you think is correct. So if you think it's B, you're going to put it over B. If you think it's A, you're going to put it over A. Okay? So that's why that little circle is there. Again, if you need help, you have your math notebook, you have the slide referenced on my Bitmoji, or you can even send me a message and I'll be glad to help and assist you on this. All right, so good luck and you guys will do amazing, I promise.